Do you have a chop saw, table saw, compound miter box, or radial arm saw? In this episode, I want to show you the quickest way that I've found to check to see if that 90-degree cut is true or not. Let's dive in. Now first I'm going to show you on the compound miter saw. Now step one, make your cut. Next what we're going to do is we're going to flip one board over and push it up against our fence. If there's any gap whatsoever, that cut is not 90 degrees. But you can see here, there is no gap when we press it up against the fence. This blade is true. I don't need to true this up anymore. That's with the chop saw, radial arm saw, or compound miter box. Now let's go to the table saw. Now here we're trying to see if the miter gauge, which is set to 90 degrees, is actually 90 degrees or not. The premise is the same. We're going to make our cut at 90 degrees, and then we're going to flip it around and hold it up against the fence. And once again, if there's any space whatsoever, that is not a true cut. That tells me that this is not 90 degrees, and I need to adjust from there. Again, now that we made our cut, I'm going to flip my board over. And you see that gap there? That tells me that that miter gauge is not true. I need to adjust from there. I hope this has been helpful. Be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss more tips and tricks like this one.